Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Proverbs 572. Proverb today is, if you torture the data long enough, it will confess to anything. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot right now. Let's get right to it. If a person says, if you torture the data long enough, it will confess to anything, it means if you manipulate or skew the numbers or data enough, you will make it prove anything. Basically, to support anything one needs to prove. It alludes to torturing prisoners who will eventually confess, if tortured enough, to information or numbers being manipulated. Let's continue. This phrase is believed to be coined by economist Ronald Coase. However, it is similar to another quote by Alfred Savy in his book, L'Opinion Publique, which actually means the public opinion. Here is his translation of his quote. The figures are innocent people who are under solicitation, under torture, very quickly confess what is asked of them, even if it means retracting later. Even if it means later on saying, oh, I made a mistake, I guess that was wrong at that time. But by that time, it probably did what you wanted it to do. Let's continue. All right, we got 3 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. The reason why most scientific experiments need to be peer-reviewed is because everyone knows if you torture the data long enough, it will confess to anything. Good. Number 2, you should always take any poll numbers reported by the media with a grain of salt because you know most are skewed. If you torture the data long enough, it will confess to anything. And we know with poll numbers, they often do oversampling, like they'll sample too much of one party over the other party if they want to favor that party, or they buy information from the internet. It's very easy to skew these polls. Number 3, the government's numbers on inflation are nowhere close to reality. They only include items in the data that will give them the results they want to report. Well, at least in the US, we know that they don't include food and energy, which is most of what people need on a weekly basis. It's probably about 70% of what they need to spend on. They don't include those, and they'll only choose items to try to make the inflation number not look very high at all. So, like we say here, if you torture the data long enough, it will confess to anything. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. Hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.